Hello kiddos, in today's video we are going to learn a sound words. What we are going to learn? A sound words. A says a. A says a. Okay, let's start with 3-letter words. We are going to revise or learn, recapitulate CVC words. Consonant, vowel, consonant. CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. Let's start with the first one. Tell me the picture name. It's hat. You wear hat here. Yes. Hat. Hat. Repeat after me. Hat. Hat. The second picture is mat. 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 Repeat after me. Mat. Tell me the third flashcard. It's cat. 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 Repeat after me. Cat. Picture. It's bat. You play with bat ball. Bat. Bat. Repeat after me. Bat. Fifth one is rat. Rat. Repeat after me. Rat. Guess the picture name. Map. Map. This one, man. 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 Guess the picture. Van. 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 Guess the picture name. It's school bag. 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 Repeat after me. Bag. What is this? Can. 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 What is this? You see it in new clothes. What is this? Tag. 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 Picture name? Fan. Fan. Guess the picture name? You see this in washrooms, in kitchens. Tap. What is this? Mat. Now we will recapitulate some CVC words. Yes, let's recapitulate. Mat. Mat. Rat. Rat. Bat. Bat. Hat. Hat. Cat. Cat. Mat. You see this in your house. You sit on mat. Rat. Rat is an animal. Bat. Bat. You play with bat. Hat. You wear hat on hat. Cat. Cat is an animal. Cat drinks milk.